from Secasa Home. Today I'm about to show you our latest project in Huntersville. So come on, join me for a quick tour.
Let's focus on the laundry area today. Stop wasting this space. This is your home's hidden goldmine. The before shot of the space usage. Our bold move, we relocated the laundry area to this space. In this open-plan living area, aesthetics are everything. This is simply elegant joinery, the ultimate clutter camouflage. Now for the wow factor, we transformed this utility zone into a design feature. Notice the stunning, irregular shell-like tiles on the splashback, adding a luxurious, fluid texture. The LED strip lighting is perfectly balanced, maximizing the mood. Paired with an elegant matte brass mixer, these details elevate the space from functional to fabulous. Did you catch that unique round wall light? Notice the detail, our statement round Terrazzo wall sconce is a luminous sculpture, casting a soft sculptural glow that completes the atmosphere. Small space principle number 1, go up. We utilized the full height for a floor-to-ceiling linen and utility cupboard. Precision was key. We used custom, lightwood cabinet rejoinery to perfectly follow the slope. The washer and dryer sit side by side, hidden behind clean, handleless doors. Ready to unlock the hidden potential in your home? Follow Secasa Home for more innovative designs and stunning transformations.